We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 116 clustered precincts for the candidates for Member Sangguniang Panglungsod in the elections held on May 12, 2025. And the names of winning candidates are as follows. Number 1, Bakiran JV, 31,162. Faringas Jeff, 39,939. Number 3, Farinas John Michael, 36,763. Number 4, Respicio Juan Conrado II, 36,171. Number 5, Ang Kiko, 33,882. Number 6, Nicolas Donald, 32,846. Number 7, Pereira Jason Bader, 32,697. Number 8, Chua Justin Clarence, 27,890. Number 9, Lau Bjorn, 27,054. And number 10, Chua Edison, 25,006 votes. And on the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above winning candidates as the duly elected member, Sangguniang Panglungsod, City of Laoag, Province of Ilocos Norte.